G-CEM America, a world leader in dental cements, introduces new G-CEM LinkAce, an advanced formula self-adhesive resin cement that makes bonding restorations faster, easier, and better than ever before. Designed to overcome common clinical challenges, G-CEM LinkAce gives you exactly what you need for cementation of indirect restorations: versatility, strength, and simplicity. Offering significant benefits to the clinician, G-CEM LinkAce provides optimal self-curing properties for PFM and lithium disilicate restorations, high bond durability to zirconia in one step, exceptional color stability, unsurpassed wear resistance, and easy excess cement removal. Available in 4 aesthetic shades: A2 Universal, A03, B01, and Translucent. G-CEM LinkAce requires no refrigeration, so there is no delay waiting for the material to come to room temperature. Depending on the restorative materials used, light may not effectively pass through your indirect restorations. In these cases, it's critical that your dental cement has self-curing properties that facilitate complete curing of the material for optimal bond strength. To address this concern, G-C developed an innovative chemical initiator system to create an optimal self-cure mode that ensures complete curing of the material even in the absence of light. As you can see, G-CEM LinkAce achieved the highest initial bond strength to dentin in self-cure mode. With G-CEM LinkAce, you can confidently cement your indirect restorations regardless of their opacity, knowing they will be strongly bonded in place for predictable, long-term retention. To improve retention when cementing ceramic restorations, hydrofluoric acid is often used to remove a portion of the glassy matrix within the ceramic, thus etching the restoration and creating micromechanical retention. However, since zirconia does not contain glass, etching is not possible. No worries. Thanks to the proprietary formulation of phosphate monomers, G-CEM LinkAce, in one simple step, ensures high bond durability to zirconia. In laboratory studies, G-CEM LinkAce demonstrated high tensile bond strength to zirconia and lithium disilicate. An important purchasing consideration when buying a dental cement, especially for all ceramic restorations, is the ability for the cement to maintain its original color over time. G-CEM LinkAce more than satisfies this criteria. Because it exhibits very low water sorption and its formulation is HEMA-free, G-CEM LinkAce resists staining and provides exceptional color stability over the long term. Another important consideration is wear resistance. Poor wear resistance leads to gap formation, plaque accumulation, marginal degradation, and chipping of the enamel and ceramic material over time. Depending on the area, the gap formation can lead to staining of the cement line. G-CEM LinkAce exhibits outstanding wear resistance properties, outperforming many of the leading competitors. Because the resin matrix consists of small, homogeneously distributed particles, a desired film thickness of 5 microns can be achieved. This ensures marginal integrity and virtually eliminates the chance of gap formation and cement line staining. To reduce procedure time, G-CEM LinkAce makes cement removal and cleanup a snap. Simply tack cure for 1 to 2 seconds, and you can remove the cement quickly and efficiently. G-CEM LinkAce is easy to use and ultra convenient. Select the preferred shade and bleed a small amount of material from the syringe. Apply a new mixing tip and coat the surface of the restoration with a sufficient amount of cement. Immediately seat the restoration and maintain moderate pressure. Tack cure for 1 to 2 seconds and remove any excess cement. Then light cure each surface for 20 seconds and then allow to self-cure for 4 minutes. G-CEM LinkAce is the right mix for long-lasting restorations. Available in 4 different shades, G-CEM LinkAce kits come with everything you need to place beautiful, long-lasting restorations. Each kit contains 2 2.7 milliliter syringes, 15 regular Automix tips, 5 endo tips, a detailed technique chart, and instructions for use. Packages of 20 GC regular Automix tips and 10 GC endo Automix tips are also available. Why should you recommend new G-CEM LinkAce to your accounts? The answer is easy. It simplifies their practice while saving time and money. Convenient and easy to use, it delivers exceptional bond strength, wear resistance, and color stability. It requires no tooth or prosthetic appliance conditioning, offers high bond durability to zirconia in 1 step, and it features fast and easy excess cement removal. For a powerful self-adhesive cement that's ideal for indirect restorations, recommend new G-CEM LinkAce from GC America.